thank you so much. We want to appreciate the media houses for joining us here today.
How he can read?
Oh, sorry, please, can I see this paper? Can you
see the paper, please?
Hey guys, please, let's
see the paper, please.
Let's move a little bit.
Camera guys, can you please move back a little bit?
Camera guys, move back. Now give us your mic. Give us your mic. Give me your mics. Give me your mics. Yes. Hold some. Give me your mics.
Guys,
Give me your mics.
hold on.
No, give them to me. Don't worry.
Hold on, guys.
Well, hold some. Go ahead.
Let's go back a little bit. Let's go back. One step back, huh?
Yes.
Let's go back.
There's another mic.
Well, hold this one.
Let's go a little bit so you can have it.
So that you can have, we want to say.
Please, let's go back a little bit so you can
No, go ahead, boy.
So, we the concerned citizens, together. Hello. So thank you.
Let's go on.
No, let's go on, boy. Go.
So thank you so much. We want to appreciate the medias for joining us here, as well as our fellow comrades that are out there. We are the executive of the concerned citizens. We are 5 here because that was what was stipulated in the protest permit, that it's supposed to be 5 people that will deliver the demands to the authorities concerned. So to read the statement as well as the demands, the concerned citizens, together with many Gambians, both at home and diaspora, civil servants and private sectors, unemployed and underemployed, wish to convey our concerns through a peaceful protest about the proposed bills in the National Assembly, designed to increase the salaries and pensions of members of National Assembly, as well as remunerations and other entitlements for the judicial officers. It is our belief that the members of the National Assembly have decided to operate unconstitutionally. Hence, the 1997 Constitution of the Gambia, Section 112, subsection B, clearly stipulated that all members shall regard themselves as servants of the people of the Gambia, desist from any conduct by which they seek improperly to enrich themselves or alienate themselves from the people, and shall discharge their duties and functions in the interest of the nation as a whole, and in doing so shall be influenced by the dictates of the conscience and national interest. Regarding the clause from the Constitution, we as concerned citizens and taxpayers who ought to be served by the members of the National Assembly as enshrined in the Constitution are unequivocally opposed to these proposed bills that are aimed at serving the interests and enriching the members of the Parliament and judiciary over the general public as a whole. Sadly, these bills are proposed at a time when the majority of civil servants and private sector employees barely feed their families on their salaries for half of a month due to the escalating rise of or escalating high cost of living. The majority of young people are unemployed, leaving them vulnerable to drugs and irregular migration. Addressing these unfortunate conditions that the majority of the people or Gambians face should be the focus of a house that is supposed to be the guardian of the people by making laws that address the needs and aspirations of the general public. As such, the concerned citizens are making the following demands, which we want the members of Parliament to address in the soonest possible time. The demands read: first, withdraw the National Assembly members' salaries and pensions bill. We unequivocally demand that this bill be withdrawn from the Assembly, since it is aimed at serving the interests and enriching the members of Parliament over the other civil servants and the general public as a whole. So the second demand is withdraw the judicial officers' remuneration and other entitlements bill. We demand that the National Assembly withdraw the Judicial Officers Bill 2024, which disproportionately allocates national resources to a selected group while neglecting the needs of the broader population. The third demand is fair compensation for all public servants. We call for a fair, balanced approach to compensation for all public servants, ensuring that salaries and benefits are aligned with the country's economic realities and do not create significant disparities. The fourth one is equitable allocation of national resources. We urge the government to prioritize the allocation of national resources to critical sectors such as education, healthcare, security, infrastructure, and agriculture to improve the living standard of all Gambians. The fifth one is accountability for the National Assembly members. We call for mechanisms that will avail the electorate to hold National Assembly members to account. for their decisions and actions, ensuring they act in the best interest of their constituents. The 6th one is promotion of social justice. We advocate for policies and promote social justice and reduce income inequality, ensuring that all citizens have the opportunity to live a decent life in the Gambia. The 7th one is National Assembly members should engage electorates before passing critical bills. The National Assembly members should go back to the people who voted them, hear from them, and make decisions based on what majority of those voters want, since they are not representing their only self or only interest, but the interest of the people who voted for them. The final one, which is the 8th point, government to introduce a new pay scale. The government to prioritize the well-being of all civil servants, to introduce salaries and a pension that will ensure teachers, nurses, security personnel, and other key workers receive better salaries. And this also involves the private sector employees. The current pay scale is very poor. We recommend that this proposed pay scale be introduced in the parliament as soon as possible. Failure to attend to our demands, we shall endeavor to organize a nationwide protest, and we shall continue to protest against these bills until our voices are heard and respected by you, the servants of the people. Equally, we want to categorically make it clear that we are your brothers and sisters who are concerned with the life of an ordinary Gambian. We are not in any way a threat to any institution, neither are we selective in fighting for justice, most especially economic justice for our people. We believe that the members of parliament are servants. You will critically look into these demands and respect the voice and concerns of the electorate by addressing these demands. Signed by the president of this movement, Mod Lamin Manjang. So that is.
Can you give us your name, please?
I am Lamin Mane.
Okay, Mr. Mane.
Sorry, hold on.
Let them have their question.
No, wait, I think we are going to have your mics. No, we are. Take it easy. Take it easy.
You stand.
Yeah, from Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nte to Usman Fadilati wuluta base URR nyakoy so mbejang kanyin kibaro tandi dunia be la anin Gambia banko mume be ngaje ko nyin kibaro mem batandi kam mantra fo kam mol damay milele angale kanga moy modol fana be jele mi yalo ikanna kandol fo mimbe ko mannika kangol anin na jola kan le surwa kangol woto ku mem bo nyama pour nga jego mbe tilim men fay kan mbe tilim men kele kan ay tilim nyin fral ya tamandi woto nyanda ka fo kangol la kango min fana yalon mol milil be ko ma jana ibe suwol kono isa mo en ka minefo so coming mba nta be fono la mi yalon ko ma atiya sawa nyamenna nta ba atalale kaje ko coming ndol mu banku dingol la de mi yalon ka fo ko solatale sorry ndol mu banku dingol la de mi yalon ka fo ko ndol solatale andum nawo solalo yakenna wilda ngana nganyin kibaro futandi nyim National Assembly mo ma mimun na député so woto kunna ndolbe koku ke kanjang amun tol la kelolti amun mul la kel milbe Gambia bantala bangoy ka fo me diaspora amun mon la kelol mil yalan ka fo ke be do ko le ka fo la employ amun mon la kelol mil yalan ka fo ke imantara do ko anim milil fanan man si do ko la woto kunna man taranda mala ko bari be Gambia be la kelol jang ka tenten kaaje ko kulebe keri nyim banko kan mi yalon ka fo amantol nyaafa lafta ka wulinga kelenga je ko ay bo nyim banko kan so walam nyinti ko ye biro la sura mi yalon ka fo anata puru ka secteur damman datan ka karado de be je ko la ko selendi menen ketel la joro la fa wala ketel la bilol ni la kudo la fa son tol mal la fo la men ka fo ko o jor sifa kaje ko aytala ay ditol damala men ka fo mo jimal be government kono mi ala be do ko la ibela life be di kan ka do ko ke woro nin joro be kala wala la far be kala jorla anyanda ka kala aytala ni mol tema anyama so ntarale nsida kafuta nyoma nga kumol safi mel yalon ka fo kon sulatala Gambia sulatala melbe Gambia la bantay fana sulatala wala mun na demand soldi anu nyin demand sol ñi wala na sula kol mbe fula National Assembly mole ko kaaje ko inyanda kanyin mudala yake hakilo kono sining wala siniginding ni be siri nyang kanyin kumoda kake into action kaaje ko yake luwar nyim banko kan yento la kuma kam moy because ntol la ngi sindi nyim palato de fama man si fama ji naw sula kol follow wala kaaje ko yanyim bilo ta me alan ka foko anara pour ka ila etol la salary National Assembly député la salary ka lafa wala ka kudo kala ko man la fi bilo nyinna gambe dingol me ale sulada man la fala so ro ko ni yalon ka foko asunta wala a jarra kedela joro lafa me alon ka foko modol bije inyanda ka jor kendo so biko fana be do ko kilin wala ndol mal lafo bilola mal lafio kan wala kan mi yalan ka foko wala be wo sembentu yandila na kanol kono kam fulanjang wala nyindi ko ya juredi officer mu neson men fana na fena kaje ko loyal nin kolol men fana la bilol sambara nan kaje ko fana la joro la fa ani la pension bilol fana le kala fa ndol fana mba fo kange ko ndal mel sola ndal banku din sola wal mba fo kange ko man sula o fana la because na keta imma ete tora wallahi dingo tora wallahi bari muso tora wallahi kroma tora wallahi bari motora min medlaro ninga jube ndol mel be jang modol be bantala banko kanjana wala modol be wulo kono dol famal fada dol bamal fada dol be je wol man fasore man basoro de ibe mo fenkol lari so woto kunna nin gambia la resources be tala anyanda katala nyama mi yala anyi nyata because ne mo wala fengo mi yala manyana kadum alkiam lori ba jola na sola ko sabanjang kaje ko ni be compensation o kala ibe nyafitandiro kala membe kala do kulal nyim banko kan ay ke kuti mi yalan ka faka be tilinale akana ga kuti mo mel yalan ka fako idam mongol itol mu kebalere ka jotol mu kebalere itol nyanda ka compenser itol dama nyanda ka compenser ko mo dol be duma jele mimbi ko ticcal sojarol police sol no sol ifanal nyanda ka nyim compenser sono sodol kaje ko ifanal sa contane ni dara do kudla wado wadi isila do ko ke anyanda ka ke nyamena na sola ko nanen jang kaje ko nim banko la resources wala banko la muna fangol banko ke muna fangol mela ka fo la resources na be talala ay tala nyanda ka tala nyamena akana ke do tay siado de mi yalan ka fuko amanya ka siati na be talala anyanda ka talale aka tala tema mo be yalan ka fuko nyanda ka mensodo ya sodo imanya ka mensodo ya ki alalen kila sallallahu alaihi wasallam ya tuji nyim banko be la fawda manke mo kun kilintati wora no be talala anyanda ka talar nyala membe safering amanya ka tala nyala mem mantara safering na sola ko lulu njang kaje ko national assembly member ntelenge keji ibe koku ke kan ni pareta nyanda ka kiskisendir ka kolale nyanda ke sindile kaje ko ni yemunke mun dalila kana yake itole yake mun kan adi yemenke muna kana yoke woto nyanda ke muta nge account kaje ko nge kiskisi yo wol melke yeke mun dalila kan adu muna na fana yake wol mu kulere mi alan ka foko anyanda ka ke ifana la mira kore ka ke nyim banko kan because na manke momon ni sibono laudla ngana nga bero fay ay tamon la palaso do at the end of the day abese mol la resources ke anyanda ka ke nyamena na para because aba fala ko nimbare nyina mota nyinin kala mota fala nyin ke nyamena so amari sa ke no anyanda ka ke nyawo nya son tol mansula wala nyanda ka accountability tanga introduce kaje ko ni bar do kula yemen men do ko sanji jalla saf yena nyinin ka yimbe ke nyaadi fo jande lu menete parita na sora ko lulu njang kaje ko na sora ko woro njang kaje ko ibe ko ku ke gang bankola tanko na la suturo anala kairo anin na nyaato tanya da katara je ni bo ke kan ite be ko ke kan amantara nyil konola man la fala nyim banko kan tilingo anin nyaato ta tilingo la ka nyaato ta sabu so wore te be ko ku ke kan anyanda ka ke nyin tilingo ko ma anyanda ka ke nyin nyaato dal ko ma so woto kunna momon ni be man sa kunna do ko dawada mbayin kibaro futande kan e fanama ila kibaro kebar ay sun ay dara nyim watol ko nyim kol ko na mi yalan ka fa ko tilingo nin to nyaay taraji na kol woro wulan jang mba fala national assembly member so ko ibe nyim palaso men de mam fure fon ji ndol leliye keji ndol bama leliye keji ndol fama leliye keji walla taray do ko ke yela ber kiso tika ya dila so wata kunna ni te bo dlade iko ikata o molle la kango itandi dunya la woto wal lafta men nyanta wala kala wal man laf men na yotuje sa ite balon lo nyaadi le ka fako wal lafta ni ne man laf ni man tay yeñi ni ka lafta mu ne la ite ko be sile la bu ngono yemi la ñine be data ite ta yoke même be data de fe amanke wala be data mo million kilimbe wala be data mo million fula fi so rokuna ko kunara kaje ko atol nyanda ka futande wala kake banko la luwadi alta suol kono society kono mele be rol fay comme albe campagne waro men alman silan kataje ala la motol mala aleta society kono alni alfaresi alni wululale si aleji dinka ñing kule be keri atal lafta nga ke nyaadi ye men falen ali woke almantral fayi albe wolleleji na kwol wata wulan jang e na sain jang min mu labons wala mba foka ko government ye jori kuto na fena ye joro na fena me yalan ka foka be betiyala ye joro na fena me yalan ka foka mo be kontana wallahi nyim banko kan non solbe do ko men na mo be nyaabala le police be do ko men na mo be nyaabala ticcal be do ko men na mo be nyaabala sojarol be do ko men na mo be nyaa adu nyilla la do ko garawta do ko mu me beti dunya kono ida la dunya dawda ni ko la dunya tara nyaawdale wallahi ye nyin secteur leta yeke la nyaaton koti because ni mo man sasa ata do ko keno la ni mo man karan abe dala pata sotol ni mo man dara kanta kan ale la banko bula tanko be kala rebelo tinano le yalla attaque ye ko la banko hansa be tinyalal woto ñin dulal mu dulal te mi yalla ka fake ku mayatale woto kunna man sa kunda jori kendolo ni ñim mari le bang ntol man tara jam manke political modi nga falen ntol na jam pour banko dingol ado banko dingol ay do kulal bele kumfa so woto kunna yanyin jorol na fe na me yalla ka fako ma fay banko la sos be ya dila bari ye fanalta ye ñafita wallahi ni wokede la ibadala ni do kudla ifana se kontane israel wula mbengala nyim banko la system bo jamena ba kolari mbakale mom yale ka jo wuli fula keme lulu banko bi ala ka kordata ka luase wala bonda ka luase fon atamida wuli fula keme lulu bi la dol beji sa yodi dimbaya tiyo la wadi dimbaya tiyo bo kala muneti abana fala munela wallahi habibi alenga jube ka foko tol hani manke misri moti hani dino dina ya jela ka foko moy me nyanto momon nyanto ajanda ka diya nyamena woto kunna alenga o jube woto benyen kibaro sindika mbadi manni kolama albe dunya dawada albe banko dawada ndel baye janne ale din kendol le wulu so wodin kendol le nara kalwa le alla nyaato ta jang kaje ko nyim banko anata boyla billahi wallahi tallahi nganya jo boy biringa kato di speaker la nanya jo dalilo ke nyineti ko mune atinna ite be nyim palaso rabbi alhamdulillah e kamindo me kasoto nyim banko kan eta dilado dol pije be lala da men so ni sawoyelta imasoto na ulul albe banko kay be koma jana dingol dol pije fam fata miskinol beje adu itol be le ulul ko do jo kaje ko nyim banko itanyada mune atinna mam futawo mon manye ma koy ni ya social media juwe wato wade ikamo le mi accident so wala sasar ja koleng amam tan sura babalu na nyamena habibina kayif mune atinnam tol bu ko ngani bala fasoro na banko de wala na nyaajo ngabo ne wodalilo la woto kunna manken silantare ndebe karankane ndonyol be karankane so ntolla na jang amanke political kuti man na jang ka man sakunda sabotage man na jang ka man sakunda neng man na jang ka mo neng mentolo jang mbemba mala jang mbe police le jang mbe no so le jang mbe docteur le jang mbe dunia be jang mbe gambia be jang wassalam ala barak alama ala yatul fanal jonel solde melbe na kibaro fu na dunia